Yeah, in this video we'll be learning how to create a simple logo in Microsoft Word. It's very simple, it's very easy. I'll teach you. This is one circle, okay, double circle, and inside there is a text I have written. Same way you have to write the text over here, and then two star, and then again from the shape. So everything you will get from the shape. This computer icon you will get from the clip art. I'll just show you, okay, how it goes on. You have to go to insert, then you have to go to over here shapes and select this circle, double circle, and drag it, and then shape fill, uh, no fill, shape outline, make it thicker, and shape outline color, if you want you can give any color as per your requirement. And then you have to go to insert, word art. Now this word art looks okay, very simple. Now I wanted, okay, some more design in the word art. So how you will get the design? Go to file, then you have to go to save as, then here you have to go save as type, then you have to select, okay, over here Word 97 2003 template. You can save, okay, whichever name you want to keep, and then click on save, then click on continue. This is the new thing, okay, that you will be learning in this video. Now you see the word art, okay, with a different look. Then click on word art over here, right here, Softeq computer, and then click OK. Then go to text wrap in front of text, then whichever color you want, okay, you can keep it. Then select your logo, drag it, try to put it should fit in your circle. This is where you need to little bit apply your mind. Yeah, now it has been filled properly in the circle. Same way you need to do the center also. Now you can design, okay, whichever color you want, okay, whichever size you want. Same way you have to type the center and the star. Now let's say if you are typing the center, if it is coming little bit tight, okay, you can always in spacing, okay, you can keep it loose or very loose. So what will happen, the center, okay, will make the curve properly, and then you can put this 2 star. This star also you will get, okay, from the shapes only. Insert shapes, in shape, okay, you will get the star, so you can put the star also if needed. And then this computer you will get, okay, from the clip art. Insert, you have to go to clip art, and here you need to type computer and then click on go. So you will get this image, so you can put this image also in front of text everywhere, okay, you need to select in front of text, then only it will come. Sorry. Of text, yeah. So you can put, okay, wherever you want. And this bottom design, okay, again this will got everything you will get in shapes. Insert, then you have to go to shapes, and here's this design, so you can make this design and you can fill some effect. And this design, okay, you can type education also. Inside you can edit text also if you need it, or you can directly, okay, type from word art and you can paste it, and you can type it from here also, or from word art also you can put in. So in this way, okay, you can make your complete logo. So this is the simple design where you need to make a circle, double circle you get from the shape, the star also you will get from the shape, and center you will type it, okay, in the word art. Make sure that you are saving, okay, by this Windows 97 2003 template. That is very important, and only your logo will be designed properly as per your requirement.